You just heard it. The World Health Organization is now calling the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic.
So we want you to know the facts, not have fear about what all of this means. So text the word facts to 727-577-8550 to get the very latest confirmed information.
The upgrade comes as the number of cases outside China has quickly increased, but the threat to the public still in the U.S. remains low. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis just spoke about the cases here in Florida. 10 Investigates' Courtney Robinson is here now. And Courtney, he's limiting who can go to nursing homes and assisted living facilities.
That was what came out of what the governor spoke about just a few minutes ago. And as we've seen really since March 1st, when we learned about the first cases in our state, this has changed not just daily, but hourly, which is why it is so important that we are staying on top of all of this information that is coming out, because it is changing. And one of the areas where they are most focused, nursing homes and assisted living facilities, because we know that the people who are in there are at a higher risk, not of getting the virus, but of having serious complications because of COVID-19. So he effectively, in an executive order, banned visitors from going into nursing homes and assisted living facilities if they meet certain conditions. Take a listen.
Any person infected with COVID-19 who has not had 2 consecutive negative test results separated by at least 24 hours, any person showing or presenting signs or symptoms of a respiratory infection, any person who has or may have been in close contact with a person infected with COVID-19 who has not tested negative is prohibited from visiting a facility for 14 days from their interaction with the infected individual.
He also added that people who have been on cruise ships or traveled internationally are also going to have to stay away for at least 14 days. And remember, those who are working in these facilities, they're really the front line right here when it comes to making sure that they are protecting the residents who are inside, because they want to make sure that these facilities are able to control the cases and also contain cases if that happens. I do want to let you know, I spoke with the Secretary of the Agency for Healthcare Administration this morning right here in our studio, and she told me that at this point they do not have any cases of COVID-19 in nursing homes or assisted living facilities. They want to make sure they keep it that way, and we'll have more for you coming up at 5:30. Katie?